Hello, learners. Welcome to another amazing English class. My name is Miss Rebecca. In today's class, I'll be teaching you expressing regular and irregular verbs. In today's class, I'll be teaching you expressing regular and irregular verbs. What are regular verbs? Regular verbs are verbs that take only the addition of ed to form their past tense. Regular verbs are verbs that take only the addition of ed to the base word to form their past tense. Let's establish this by looking at some examples of regular verbs. The first example is work, worked, play, played, dance, danced. You can see that to form the past tense of each of the verbs given in the examples, only the letters ed were added to the base word, to the verbs to form their past tense. And we proceed to irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are verbs that change form completely when forming their past tense. Unlike the regular verb where you only need to add ed, for a regular verb, it is not the same. Let's see some examples. Eat, ate, swim, swam, give, gave. You can see that for all the examples given under irregular verbs, their past tense are formed in different ways. And that is why they are referred to as irregular verbs. They are called irregular verbs. It's your turn. You have to identify if the verb is regular or irregular, and you have to also give the past tense. Okay, the verb ride is an irregular verb, and the past tense is wrote. You can see why it is an irregular verb. The verb wash is a regular verb, and the past tense is washed. You can see that the past tense is formed by the addition of ed. And the verb go is an irregular verb, and the past tense is went. I believe you have been able to learn something in today's class. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching.
I believe you have been able to learn something.